Hello and welcome to Your Daily 5 with myself, Jane Gallina. I'm also known as Airplane Jane. You can reach me on social media at It's Airplane Jane, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and my website, CJane Trade. Today I am concentrating on back to school and looking at the sweets and also beverages that are primed for a move up. So right now with Tootsie Roll, my first one on the list, we have downward price action and we have the MACD moving up, getting ready for that divergence move. So this is a daily chart. I do have my 8 EMA in purple and the burgundy is my 28 EMA, which tends to act as a good support and resistance on the daily chart. So looking for this to break up above 33, confirmation to me up above 33.40, looking for it to hold the 32 support. We do have the equi-volume candlesticks, and you can see we did have a bigger sell-off in June with just after the dividend. And right now we do see that 32 support has held from the past and looking for that to hold again for potential higher lows. We are showing a bit oversold on the RSI for the weekly chart right here. However, it does show that we are holding this low. So looking for this to continue for further moves to the upside, especially going into the Halloween season with candy buying. After that, we do have Hersheys. Hersheys on our daily chart has already had the crossover down here. We have seen that bottom has held roughly 215, 212. Looking for that to continue up. A confirmation to me, again, would be breaking above that 28 EMA with volume. On the weekly chart, you can see we do not have that cross just yet on our MACD. However, we're starting to see that the RSI is curling up. We do have a nice doji with some buying volume here, slightly higher low from back in January. So looking for that to continue to move. A great fellow macro analyst said, when the market has done well for the first 9 months of the year, typically the money managers are going to want to pour more money into it so they get bigger bonuses. So the last quarter of the year does tend to move to the upside in the broader market. And right now I do like these charts because they have set in some bottoms. This is looking at Pepsi. On the daily chart, we see we are about to cross right here, and we do have ourselves up above that 8 EMA. Confirmation would be roughly 182.50. We would have this nice bottom and a nice reversal pattern right there. So looking for Pepsi to break up above 182.50, holding the 177.50 mark. That would be a confirmation to me moving to the upside, looking for a test of the 190 area, 187.50. Next up would be Coca Cola. Very similar charts. We see that it does look like it's primed for the move up, right? Downward price action. We've seen a nice little reversal here at $60. Would look for that to hold as support. 60.80 on the daily chart for a move to the upside. 61 for the confirmation to me above this higher volume candlestick. And on the weekly, we have had this slow upward trend. We do have a wedge right here. So looking for that, again, 61.50 on the weekly would be that bigger move up for me. And we'd measure it here, 64.50 we'll call it, down to 59. So $5.50 move. So we'd be up above, maybe 67 would be the target right there for Coca-Cola. And last up is going to be Dr. Pepper. So Dr. Pepper is using that 28 as opposed to being on the downside of it. We see it is holding as support right here, 33.20 area. And we are up above that 8 EMA, so a bit stronger. We also have a nice rounded bottom and a handle right here. So we have a nice cup end handle looking down roughly 30, 50 up to, we'll call this 40, 50 mark. So we've got a $4 move. So if we break out right here, would be looking for this to move up to 37, 38 area for Dr. Pepper. A little bit clearer on the weekly chart right here with our cup, not a very good rounded bottom, but a nice handle right here. So looking for that move on up for a 37.50 test, potentially maybe over here right around 36 as well. That is your Daily 5 with myself, Jane Gallina. You can also join me on YouTube every morning. I do put out a daily day trading watch list. If you'd like to come check it out, it is free on Fridays twice a month. So please come and join me. It's Airplane Jane. Have an amazing day. Carpe profit. Seize those profits one trade at a time. Thanks for watching.